All right, let's see if we can model this information with a linear function. So it says in 1993, the moose population was measured by 3720. So I'm just kind of visualizing this, that I bet these are going to be time, typically as always on the x-axis, and this is going to be, does that kind of look like a moose? My moose. Okay, maybe not, but that's my mooses. So then it says in 1993, and then again in 1996, and I can actually get these points, right? 3720 and 3630. Now this is kind of a key right here, and they do this a lot with years, is we just don't like using this big value in our formulas. So what this is saying, since 1990, that really these values, so since 1990 would be where we'd start at 0. This would actually be 3 for 1993, and then this would be 6 for 1996. So you just have to be careful with that. That's all this is saying, is that since 1993 is 3 years since 1990, we would use those values. So to find this actual formula, of course we need to find the slope, and I see I have 2 points here. So I have 3630 minus 3720, and then I have 6 minus 3. So 3630 minus 3720 is negative 90, and then this would be 3 to get our slope. And that should make sense to you, right? Because if I have these 2 points here, the line is actually going down, so I would expect to have a negative slope. And so now I can solve this to get my actual equation. So I have y minus, I'm gonna pick, I don't know, I guess this lower one, 3630 equals negative 30x minus 6. So y minus 3630 equals negative 30x, and that would be plus, in this case, so plus 180. And finishing this off, if I add 3630 to both sides, 30, I get my y equals negative 30x plus 3810. And if you want to write this in terms of time, negative 30t plus 3810. And so now it asks, what would you predict the population to be in 2008? Well, what value are you going to plug in? I think 18, because if I go over here and say 2008 minus 1990, that would be 18 years. So I just simply use my function that I found, and I plug in 18 plus 3810, and I pick up my calculator and I'm plugging in 18 plus 3810, and I get 3270.